Hey everyone, if you want to be a fluent speaker in just 3 or 4 months, so it's very easy. Don't complicate this job. I will share 3 steps, and with the help of these 3 steps you can improve your English speaking, and you will get your fluency in just 3 or 4 months. So let me share these 3 steps with you guys. So first of all, the first step is shadowing method. This is very easy. You should shadow native speaker. And the second one is speak without pause. And the third one is record and review yourself. So I will share these 3 steps in detail with you guys. So first of all, shadowing method. In shadowing method, you should shadow native speakers. For this, you are supposed to pick a clip from a very short clip from YouTube. So pick that clip and repeat after that particular speaker. If that is male or female, that's your choice. Repeat after that particular speaker. First of all, listen to that particular clip for 3 times. If you comprehend the idea what he is saying or what she is saying, so it will be easy for you. After that, you will follow his or her speaking style, the vocabulary of that speaker, the pronunciation of that speaker, the rhythm of that speaker. So you should follow all the steps: style, vocabulary, and rhythm, and pronunciation. You should focus on these particular things. Now let's come to the second step. So what would you do in the second step? For this, as you have practiced the first step, you have shadowed that particular speaker. So now this is the time that speak without pause. Start recording this clip without pause. Speak fluently. Don't translate in your head. Just speak. Don't think that I am uttering the same words repeatedly. Don't think like this, and don't think like this that I am making grammatical mistakes. Don't think that I am violating the pronunciation rules. Don't think like that. Just speak without pause. You will get your fluency in this way. Now here comes the third step. As you have followed the first 2 steps, now you have shadowed yourself, through that you have speak without pause. Now the third step is review and record yourself. So now it's very easy. Record yourself, and after that pick that particular clip that you have shadowed from a native speaker. Listen to that native speakers and listen to your own recorded video. Now compare these 2 videos in the lens of vocabulary. If you are uttering the same words that a speaker does, so you have done your first step, vocabulary. If you are speaking like the rhythm of that particular speaker, so you have done the second job. But if you are struggling with getting right grammatical structure like our pronunciation, so focus on that 2 steps, that how can I improve my pronunciation and how can I improve my grammatical structure. You have done the job in this way, that you are analyzing your videos, you have practiced, you have shadowed it. So that's the 3-step formula. I have shared these 3 steps with you guys. The first step is shadowing method, the second one is speak without pause, and the third one is record and review yourself. So this was for today. I hope you have learned a lot of things from this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed and be happy.